Hey you guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update. So first of all, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing. I hit 10,000 subscribers this year and I am so excited. To celebrate, I got a new camera, so I'm going to be able to capture better footage and make my videos higher quality for you, so I'm really excited about that. Believe it or not, all of my videos so far have been filmed on my phone. I'm a big believer in just getting started and using what you have when it comes to art supplies and all kinds of stuff like that, and that included using my phone to get started on YouTube. When I first started YouTube, I wasn't sure if I was gonna stick with it or what it was gonna be like, so I just used what I had. But now I have a new camera and I'm really excited to play around with it and to make better videos for you guys. I just wanted to do a quick update for my channel since it's the end of the year and do a little check-in with you guys. If you've been around for a while, you may know that I had a baby this year, so it's been a little crazy, and I did miss a few weeks this year, which I usually really try not to do. So thank you so much for your patience with me over the fall, and I'm excited for a new year. Over the spring and the summer this year, I tried a few different kinds of formats for videos and different types of content that was all kind of dyeing adjacent, but a little bit different. I want to know if you guys like that, if I should keep going, or if I should just stick to the tutorials. The number one rule of YouTube is to give the people what they want. So I'm all ears and I'd love to hear from you guys. Also, if you have an idea for a video or a question or something that you've been really wanting, put it down in the comments. I love to get suggestions. Also this year, I tried a few downloadable PDFs of ice dye swatches. Let me know if you guys like those, if you found them helpful, if you'd like me to do more. I have a couple of polls on my community tab in YouTube, and I'd really appreciate it if you went to the community tab and voted on those polls. Also, be sure to go and follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I do a lot of polls in my stories and I have a lot of fun over on Instagram. I just want to let you guys know I'm going to take a little break for the next few weeks just to kind of relax with my family and to recharge. Right now I'm planning out what I want to do for 2023 and I have some really fun, exciting ideas that I'm excited about. So I can't wait to share them with you and I hope you guys have a happy holidays. So I just want to keep it short and sweet today and say happy holidays to all of you out there. Thank you so much for being here and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.